So, in order for the stars to be around planets that are inhabitable, you'd have to think about the distance from the planet and how big the star is. Just like I said in the video, that the red star was a lot bigger, and so it produced more, even though the little star was more hot and it was giving off energy more quick. The same way with the stars. The star would be a lot brighter and get off a lot more energy, but if it was too close to the other planets, then it would be giving off too much energy to the planet because there's a lot more of it. It might be slow and go like this and expand, whereas the other one's gonna be like this. You know, a lot of burst of energy. So I think that's how you would find which planets are inhabitable based on the stars.